Everyone knows Tom did that. Everyone knows Tom did that. I can't prove that Tom did that. I can't prove that Tom did that. I didn't know that Tom did that. I didn't know that Tom did that. I have the feeling Tom did that. I have the feeling Tom did that. I want to know how Tom did that. I want to know how Tom did that. I want to know why Tom did that. I want to know why Tom did that. It's possible that Tom did that. It's possible that Tom did that. Tom also did that yesterday. Tom also did that yesterday. Tom and Mary both did that again. Tom and Mary both did that again. Tom and Mary say John did that. Tom and Mary say John did that. Tom did that a couple of times. Tom did that a couple of times. Tom did that at school yesterday. Tom did that at school yesterday. Tom did that the same way I did. Tom did that the same way I did. Tom did that until it got dark. Tom did that until it got dark. Tom doesn't think Mary did that. Tom doesn't think Mary did that. Tom hasn't told me who did that. Tom hasn't told me who did that. Tom likes the way Mary did that. Tom likes the way Mary did that. The way Tom did that was stupid. The way Tom did that was stupid. I already know that Tom did that. I already know that Tom did that. I thought Tom probably did that. I thought Tom probably did that. Nobody did that except Tom. Nobody did that except Tom. Perhaps Tom knows who did that. Perhaps Tom knows who did that. Tom asked Mary why she did that. Tom asked Mary why she did that. Tom did that a number of times. Tom did that a number of times. Tom did that as fast as he could. Tom did that as fast as he could. Tom did that exceptionally well. Tom did that exceptionally well. Tom did that in 2013. Tom did that in 2013. Tom did that in a couple of days. Tom did that in a couple of days. Tom did that without Mary's help. Tom did that without Mary's help. Tom might know why Mary did that. Tom might know why Mary did that. Tom will be very glad he did that. Tom will be very glad he did that. We want to know why Tom did that. We want to know why Tom did that. Both of Tom's brothers did that. Both of Tom's brothers did that. Everyone did that except Tom. Everyone did that except Tom. Everyone knows that Tom did that. Everyone knows that Tom did that. I didn't think Tom did that well. I didn't think Tom did that well. I haven't told Tom who did that. I haven't told Tom who did that. I know Tom did that on purpose. I know Tom did that on purpose. I need to know why Tom did that. I need to know why Tom did that. I think Tom did that pretty well. I think Tom did that pretty well. I think Tom did that with Mary. I think Tom did that with Mary. I thought Tom did that yesterday. I thought Tom did that yesterday. It was probably Tom who did that. It was probably Tom who did that. Nobody except Tom did that. Nobody except Tom did that. Tom actually did that by himself. Tom actually did that by himself. Tom and I did that by ourselves. Tom and I did that by ourselves. Tom and I know why Mary did that. Tom and I know why Mary did that. Tom did that enthusiastically. Tom did that enthusiastically. Tom probably did that on purpose. Tom probably did that on purpose. Tom said he did that 3 times. Tom said he did that 3 times.